Hello and welcome back to BFC Elimination. Mug, mushroom, bowl, tower are all saved with 0 votes. Pills, paper, and door. The 2 of you got 1 vote, and the other last person got 2 votes and are eliminated. Paper is safe with 1 vote, and Bills is safe with 1 vote, meaning that door is eliminated with 2.
No! Make it stop!
The challenge is to fight each other in boats. Can, people, whatever. Just go.
Hey! Get your hands off me! Wait! No!
Whoa!
Wow! What was that?
Wait, why am I being lifted in the air? You know what? I'm gonna put you in the cannon for revenge.
Come on, guys, we gotta get out of here.
Oh no! Wait, I forgot. I left the microwave on. That means the crying babies are up for elimination. Vote who you want to eliminate in the comments. Square bracket, their letter, and the square bracket. Bye.
Guys, where are we?